Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a hair dyeing video. Right now I'm showing you how my hair looked before. I thought it looked very brassy, very orangey. This is a natural lighting, so as you can see my roots were growing in quite a bit, so it was time for me to dye it anyways. And yeah, here I'm going to be showing you guys the hair color I use. This is the Lanza hair cream. I got it in 6B. B meaning blue base, so it's supposed to tone down all the orange tones. This is 20 volume peroxide. Here we were mixing the two, so we added the hair color, and by we I mean my mom. My mom's a hairstylist, so she was helping me out here. She did my hair for me. So for this hair color, it was 1:1 ratio. So if there's 3 ounces of color, that means there's 3 ounces of developer that go in it. Just make sure that when you do your hair, you look at what your hair color asks for. So it should tell you there. My hair is in a cap now. We basically sectioned off the hair and coated my whole head with it. So this is what it turned out. This is the way my hair color came out. Do you guys like it? Let me show y'all. I did want to show you guys a couple of products that I use in order to maintain my hair healthy. Keep it, healthier. 2 things I use to brush out my hair. The first one being this brush right here. This is the Wet Brush by Wet Brush. And this one has the shine effect to it, so I like to use this brush. You can use this when your hair is wet, but I try to be very careful, starting from the bottom, going all the way up. Of course, if you hear a lot of background noise, it's because my dog and I have family over. So anyways, this brush, amazing. I love it a lot. I also have this by Diane, or from, I don't even know what brand this is, but it's just a wide tooth comb. I actually want a wider one, but I don't have one, so I stick to this one, and this also helps brush out my hair. I'm gonna mention 2 products I use to get my hair curly. One is this little packet here. This is a Diva Curl Super Stretch Coconut Curl Elongator Define and Control Gel, I believe. It's 100% sulfate, paraben, and silicone free. I got this sample from my boyfriend. He got it for me because he bought me this palette from Sephora, and he got to choose something and he thought I would like it, and I actually love this so much. I want their whole freaking brand, but it's just it's kind of expensive, it's a little expensive, so I really like it. I also have mentioned this before. This is the Curvaceous Full Swirl by Redken. This really defines my curls, although you do have to make sure you use this on wet hair, because if you use it on dry hair, it will leave it crunchy, but on wet hair, it works perfect. 2 masks I want to mention. This one, it's a 10 Miracle Deep Conditioner plus Keratin. This has 10 things that it does for you. You leave this in for 2 to 5 minutes after you shampoo and condition. So that's what I like to do with that one. And it just leaves my hair super freaking soft, detangles it, has 10 benefits to it, and I really like them. So it has keratin in it, it deeply moisturizes, it smooths, detangles, protects hair color, etc, etc, etc. Last but not least, I have this Extreme Mega Mask Treatment and Care Extender. This is after you shampoo. You leave it in for 3 to 5 minutes, and then you wash it off. This I love because it has protein in it, so if your hair is very brittle and prone to breakage, this really helps maintain your hair healthy. So this leaves your hair really soft too. You need the tiniest bit amount, and it's kind of cool because it has this product, like it has a tube inside a tube, so it has this pressure point right here, and you press it and you get 2 products come out at once, and that's enough for your hair. So it's really cool. You mix the 2 and you just put it in your hair. I never put it on my scalp because that's where you have all your natural oils, and that's when it weighs down your hair. And I actually tried a different method for my curly hair today, you guys. I coiled my hair. It took a long time, honestly. It took about an hour. But basically, you can see the curls. You can see how pretty the curls came out looking. Let me see if I can get a better one. They're so cute. You basically just grab your hair while it's wet and you just coil it. Coil it. You get individual sections, and that is all you do. But I'm a new woman. I really like it, you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like my new hair, and if you try this out, let me know what you think about it. I want to say that I love you guys so much. I will link the products that I have down below so you guys can also get them, of course. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.